What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Weapons. Biofire's fire-by-wire 9mm smart gun. This is from thefirearmblog.com. So Luke C is at GunCon checking out one of the more talked about booths on the floor this year. So this isn't your average striker-fired pistol. It's a biometric handgun secured by both fingerprint and facial recognition, and the first product of its kind to actually reach market. While the smart gun has been tried once before, the Biofire smart gun fires 9mm Luger through an electronic fire-by-wire trigger with a fingerprint sensor in the grip and a 3D infrared facial recognition sensor at the rear of the slide. Whichever system verifies the user first unlocks the gun, and it locks itself the instant it leaves an unauthorized hand, straight out of a sci-fi film and movie, right? It runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, has an integrated laser sight, and ships with 10 and 15 round magazines. It's unclear if you could do an extended mag, but this is just a crazy weapon at GunCon 2026. So the Biofire's fire-by-wire. I don't know how much I like that name because of the company is Biofire and it's a fire-by-wire. I don't know. It's all right, but very crazy. It looks straight out of the Hunger Games or Alien or Predator, just any Elysium, any type of sci-fi movie. I love the white and black look with the angular design within the handle grip there, and it's just crazy. I mean, it's just super cool that it can just detect who the owner is, right? So it's a really safe weapon. It makes me curious, in the future, will all handguns be like this, where it's a fingerprint sensor or an infrared facial recognition sensor that can just prevent accidental gun deaths, prevent criminals from grabbing policemen's guns and using them against the cops or civilians. So it's just a very cool reality now that this is the future of firearms. So once again, all credit to thefirearmblog.com. Thank you guys very much for watching. Type us a comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and check out my older videos on the content on the channel. Until next time, I will see you next time.